Welcome to 2201 Pershing's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom R floor plan offering 1,054 square feet. Immediately upon entering the home, you notice the hardwood bamboo flooring throughout the main living space. To the left, we have the kitchen, complete with gray soft stone quartz countertops and full-size stainless steel appliances. The living room is large, offering 14 by 15 square feet of living space. Large windows with window coverings, as well as a balcony door to your private balcony. Here we have the primary bedroom, 13 by 11.5 square feet. Plenty of room for a king-size bed and wardrobe. This bedroom offers 2 dual closets for plenty of hanging space. The bathroom has 7 feet of white subway tile all around the shower and an angled shower curtain rod. This bathroom also has a linen cabinet. Dual flush toilet, large vanity area, large mirror, and medicine cabinet. Coming back through across the living room, we have our in-unit washer and dryer, a hall closet, and the secondary bathroom. Once again, white subway tiles 7 feet up, angled shower curtain rod, dual flush toilet, large vanity, and mirrors. The secondary bedroom is 12.5 by 11 square feet. Plenty big for a queen-size bed. And it also has a large walk-in closet with hanging space on 3 sides. This particular unit is a top floor unit, so you do get the additional patio. This is a very large patio and does have views of the entire city. Thank you for touring 2201 Pershing's 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom R floor plan.